Hey everybody, we're up here riding. We just stopped for lunch, grab a quick bite, but right before we stop, this guy, our 600 Axys, threw an engine code while we're up here. So while we're here, we got our auto agent. We're gonna plug into it and take a look at it and see what it is. Make sure we don't have a bigger problem on our hands or anything like that. See if we need to make a quick run to the truck or if we're good to kind of keep playing for the day. So we're gonna plug into this thing, fire it up, and read the code and see what we have going on. All right, we just checked our code, and in it looks like we got a bad pipe temp sensor according to the code. So we're gonna keep riding, and we'll go back to the shop. We'll get a new pipe temp sensor ordered, and we'll swap that out, and we should be good to go. But just like that, we can pretty well diagnose what our problem is, what our issue is, without having to take it to a dealer or anything like that.